Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 7 Test Measurement and Evaluation Part 1. Definition of Test Measurement and Evaluation. Test and measurement are the tools, device, process that are used in collecting details regarding the needs, capacities, abilities, and attitudes of sports persons. Meaning of test. Test is an instrument or a tool that involves the process of examining or testing the performance, capacities, attitudes, skills, knowledge, etc. of an individual or a group. A tool may be in the form of written, oral, and other variation. Definition of test. According to Webster Dictionary, a test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacity, or aptitudes of an individual or a group. Meaning and definition of measurement. Measurement is the use of tests and techniques to collect information or data about a specific skill or fitness level of an individual. Measurement is a way of evaluation that records an individual responses in specific units of measurement such as speed in second, weight in pound or kilograms, height in inch, meters, etc. Definition of measurement. According to H.M. Barrow, measurement refers to the process of administering a test to obtain quantitative data. Meaning and definition of evaluation. Evaluation is a means of organized assessment done to appraise the value of something. The most important aspect of evaluation is to determine the applicability, capability, and achievement of the set objectives, its efficiency, effectiveness, impact, and sustainability. Definition of evaluation. According to Barrow and McG, it is the process of education that involves collection of data from the products which can be used for comparison with preconceived criteria to make judgment. Okay, thanks to all.